Welcome back, traders. Hope you're doing well. Today I thought we're going to look at the ADA chart. We are going to look at the long-term Elliott wave count and some price targets for this bull run. We're also going to look at some more short-term cycle counts and what's to come in the coming weeks. So starting off, we are looking at the logarithmic weekly chart on Kraken. Now you can see here that we have our first 1-2, and now we're in this larger wave 3. So essentially we have something like this. And we're gonna make this white. And currently we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make this a cycle. And this bull run, we are looking at this wave 3 of 3. And then we can add the more relevant count. So, zoom in here. Now, to get some targets out of this, I think you all probably want to know the all-time high for this cycle. So, now, in order to get the targets for this wave 5 of this wave 3, we just take the length of wave 1 and we get a target right here. So the 1.618 is at $5 and the 200% extension is at 6.19. So that would be a good target for this wave 5 of 3. We are currently sitting in this wave 2. We completed our first wave up here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1. We're now in wave 2, which is why the sentiment is very bearish. And we should now rally in the wave 3. Now to get the target for wave 3, we can go back to the previous cycle and we can take the volume profile of wave 4 and 5. And we can see that we have the highest volume spike around $2.15. So this is a very important level. If we break through this level, we could potentially reach the previous all-time high. So somewhere in this region is where this third wave could land. And then we're gonna get a wave 4 pullback, which could be a pretty shallow and quick pullback before then finishing off this bull run. Now, let us move into the shorter time frame and let's look at the cycles. So right now we are currently due for a daily cycle low. Any day now, it could be in already, right here. So I'm expecting a bounce out of here. Now, if we open up some moving averages, like the 200 and the 50, you can see that they have crossed, which is typically a bearish sign. Now, I wouldn't be too crazy about this crossing, because if we look at Bitcoin during its wave 2, it did the same thing. So let me show you. Here you have Bitcoin in its wave 2, and you had the 50 cross the 200 right before we exploded up in this wave 3, which took us to new all-time highs. So I wouldn't be too worried about this cross here. And the 20-day moving average is still acting as our resistance, our short-term resistance. So if you can break through here, it's bullish. Now on a bearish note, you can see here on the cycles that we have a right translated cycle, followed by a right translated cycle, followed by a left translated cycle, which led us to a new low. Right now, we started out with a left translated cycle. We could then get a left translated cycle to a new low before then putting in a right translated cycle, and then we're off. We already have the weekly cycle low confirmed here, so I'm not too confident in saying we're gonna see a lower low than this wick here. Also, I would say that the wave 2 is in here. In the short term, there is still room for another low, but overall, we are still bullish. Now, if we look at the ADA BTC chart, there really isn't much to say here. I mean, we are at the lows. If I just add a line right here and right here, you can see that there isn't a whole lot of downside to reach these levels, support levels. Could also make one here. And you can see it's the top here. Resistance here, support here, a little bounce here, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. So we are close to bottom. We could obviously see another fall down here to the 560 sat level. But overall, we are close to bottoming out. Now, if we open up the RSI on the weekly chart, you can see that we have a bullish divergence right here, similar to what we had back here before this pump. Yeah, so I would say that ADA is very, very close to its starting its wave 3 rally to the upside. And yeah, I think it's gonna be the start of alt season very soon. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna look at the Solana chart. So I see you tomorrow. Trade safe and take care.